Before determining how profitable chicken rearing in Kenya can be for you, it's essential to understand the primary costs involved. Remember, prices can vary depending on location, supplier, and market conditions. Let's break it down. 1. Chicks. The cost of chicks varies by type. Here are the approximate prices. Broiler chicks go for around 80 to 120 shillings each. Layer chicks will go for 100 to 150 shillings each. Kienyeji chicks, 100 to 200 shillings each. Improved Kienyeji chicks, a bit expensive, going for 120 to 200 shillings each. 2. Housing. Housing costs depend on the size, materials used, and whether you build it yourself or hire labor. For small-scale free-range setups, costs may be minimal. A basic house for 100 broilers might cost between 15,000 and 30,000 shillings. 3. Feeds. Feeds are the largest ongoing expense, with costs varying by type and supplier. Chick mash, which your chicks need from 0 to 8 weeks, will go for 3,000 to 3,500 shillings per 50 kilogram bag. Grower's mash, which your chicks need from 8 to 20 weeks, will go for 2,500 to 3,000 shillings per 50 kilogram bag. Layer's mash, which your chicken needs from 20 weeks onward, will go for 2,800 to 3,300 shillings per 50 kilogram bag. Kienyeji, or free-range birds, can supplement their diet through foraging, reducing feed costs. 4. Medication and vaccinations. Health is critical in poultry farming. Essential vaccinations and medications include a basic vaccination program for 100 chicks will be around 1,000 to 2,000 shillings. Deworming and other medications are additional recurring costs. Regular disease prevention ensures a healthy flock and fewer losses. On to number 5, labor. If you manage the farm yourself, labor is your time investment. Hiring laborers for feeding and cleaning adds costs, with casual workers charging around 300 to 500 shillings per day, depending on the region. How much does laborers charge in your region? 6. Transportation. Transport costs are unavoidable. They cover getting chicks, feed, and supplies to your farm, transporting chickens or eggs to the market. Costs depend on distance and whether you own a vehicle or hire transportation. Do the math. Understanding these costs is the first step to planning a successful chicken farming venture. By managing these expenses wisely, you can set yourself up for profitability. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DG Max for more tips and insights on agribusiness and entrepreneurship. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. At DG Max, we empower your success one step at a time.